again, guys. Actually, 1 hour was over. That's why the live was off. Again, we have come live. Welcome everyone again.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes.
Welcome again, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. So, ma'am, I will contact you, ma'am, regarding that communication skills that you took on Sunday. Na, I'm
Yes.
interested for that
All right.
because, I can speak well, but sometimes my tenses go wrong. So, I'm trying to improve that. So, I will work upon that thing with you.
All
Okay,
right.
ma'am. I will contact you for sure. Yeah. Ma'am, any other initiative that you are taking for SSB candidates, like you told that one that
Yes.
students
I
has
am.
they has to
I am
record
along with my
informals for the yes ma'am. Go on.
yeah. Yeah.
Go
For
on, ma'am.
Atmavishwas contest, about which it is there in my story, and it is there
Yeah.
in my story, and today's this thing also, today's post. आत्मविश्वास
Okay.
कॉन्टेस्ट में आपको 30 सेकेंड से 60 सेकेंड्स का वीडियो बना के भेजना है और
Okay.
अपने बेस्ट फॉर्मल अटायर में। तो एटलीस्ट आपका
Okay.
इंटरव्यू जो इंटरव्यू स्किल में प्रेजेंटेशन है वो आपकी तैयारी हो जाएगी, यू नो। तो
Exactly. Yes, ma'am.
एसएसबी क्या एसएसबी कहीं पे भी, वो सिर्फ एसएसबी में काम नहीं आएगा, कहीं पे भी काम आएगा।
Yes. Yes, ma'am. You're right.
So
Okay.
I urge you all of you to participate.
Sure.
Come forward and
Sure.
participate. Don't think about it. Don't be hesitant about it. ठीक है, वो एक हो गया। और आई एम कमिंग अप विद ऑनलाइन एसएसबी ट्रेनिंग along with my friend who was a psychologist in SSB Bangalore.
Okay.
Okay, two
Okay.
of my
Fine. Fine.
friends. So we are making a team and we are coming up with that. I just spoke
Okay.
to her. There is one
Yes.
lady officer and one male officer. I spoke to my lady officer friend about
Okay.
about the online training. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Is
Yeah.
that paid service, ma'am, or is that
Yeah.
free of
Absolutely.
cost?
See, if I have to survive, if they have to survive, that has to be paid.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, could you please tell us that what will be the duration of that training and what will be the charges for that? Because I can share this video to
modalities.
my group
All
members
right.
and they will join you, ma'am, for sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Go on.
I am able. I'm hearing your echo. First, I'm hearing you, and then your echo.
Okay. 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 I don't know,
All
ma'am,
right.
actually what happened today, but I will fix my network soon. Okay, ma'am. Tomorrow I will fix my network.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Is that fine now? No.
Yeah. So I was
Okay.
saying the modalities and all those payment thing and all, we're just in the planning stage. Yeah,
Okay.
it's
Okay.
fine.
Fine.
It's yes,
Fine.
we are in the, but definitely it is there. I already am taking those people who are interested. One-on-one coaching I'm taking.
Okay.
And if there are a lot of
Okay.
individuals like that, maybe I'll take it in a batch of 5. That's it. Only 5,
Okay.
not more than
Okay.
that.
Sure.
ठीक है?
Sure.
ऐसा नहीं ग्रुप में बहुत बड़ा झुंड में I will not do that. I will take
Yeah.
small groups
You are
because
right.
then I can pay individual attention and do justice to people who have joined me. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I will
Yes.
talk to you, ma'am, regarding that,
Yeah.
ma'am, that
All
you
right.
take
All right.
one-on-one
Yeah.
training, ma'am. Actually,
Yeah.
I need that.
Yeah. All right.
Yes, ma'am. And anyone has any question,
Okay.
please shoot. Ma'am, now you will leave, ma'am. Like you have
Yes.
time
Yes.
for
If
2
there
or
is
3
any
minutes.
question, for a couple of questions, I will take.
Okay. Okay. We'll bind up this session. Please shoot in the
Yes.
question
All right.
section. Yes, ma'am.
So I think these
Ma'am,
people are not very
ma'am.
interested in asking any question. All right. Let's wind up. Let's wind up.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, one last thing, ma'am. Could you please tell me that time for, I think, yes, ma'am.
The winner will get a cash prize and free grooming grooming stroke coaching from my end. So please do participate in Atma Vishwas contest. Yes.
Sure, ma'am.
All
I
right.
will share that poster on my group also,
It is
and
there on
on
the link is
all
there
my
on the
pages.
bio. The link is
Sure.
there on the bio. Yes. Okay. Bye bye.
Sure, I will share that.
All
Ma'am,
right.
Chabi
Bye-bye.
asked the question: can being underweight be an issue during medical? Chabi asked.
If you are an under if you are an overweight or underweight, they give you time. They give you 1 month time.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for giving your time.
Thank
And Jai Hind, ma'am.
My
Thank you so much.
pleasure. My pleasure.
Thank you for that.
Okay.
Bye,
Bye bye.
ma'am. Bye. Bye, ma'am. Hello, guys. Who all are there with me? Royal Thakur. What happened? Give me thumbs up. Who all are there? Welcome, Pooja. Hello, Nihal. Okay, guys. So let's bind up this session. And thanks to all who all have joined this session. I hope you all have learned today. Okay. I will share this recording with you all. Thank you, everyone. Jai Hind. Take care. Bye bye.